Hello everyone, this is Jandim Coffee Labs. Today, I'm heading out to nature. I grabbed my stuff, including my product, ground coffee, and espresso capsule. I'm going to drive for about 30 minutes. It's not too far, but I enjoy being in nature. On the way, there's not much traffic, which is nice. I just arrived. And it has a calm and relaxed vibe. I hope you can feel that too. I love that there is a lake here. It's really nice. Today, I'm going to brew twice, once with Nespresso capsule and another with coffee grounds. During road trip, I wanted to have coffee, and this is kind of my dream, making coffee in the middle of nowhere. Sometimes when you are tired, you want coffee, but there's no coffee shop. It's easy to use the adapter. Just put the capsule inside, attach it to the bottom adapter, and push the screw back in. I think 50 milliliter is enough for me. If you put too much, the taste is weak. I started the heating and extraction cycle. I realized I don't need to hold it all the time. I can just open the glove box and it stands there. It's extracting now, and although I cannot show you the stream, you can see the crema building up inside the cup. This is my first coffee of the day, and I really wanted it. Look at this scene. It's my dream. This coffee is good, but having it in a relaxed place makes it special. That's why I always say coffee is a ritual. After drinking, I wipe it down. Wiping is fine, but rinsing with water definitely helps clean it. I put in the glove box to show you that it can be an espresso machine for the car. You can always grab this machine and make espresso in the car. Very futuristic. Now, let's go near the lake. It's really close. I found a spot. It was a bit muddy on the way, but it's worth it. The setting is small, but look at this nice scenic view. It's just 30 minutes, but it can relax me like 30 hours of stress. Let's make coffee here. The machine has a capacity of 20 bars, which means it doesn't always operate at that pressure. It finds the best spot for the best flavor. I prepared about 15 grams of fine grind coffee. I bought these coffee beans from Trader Joe's and they are strong and dark roast, which I like. Maybe I make it a little coarser next time. I use a puck screen to help distribute the water, and I think it makes better shot. Once you have this, get the puck screen from Amazon. I used 70 milliliter of water and started the heating and extraction cycle. While waiting, I checked out the view again. I dream of having a house here, surrounded by nature. After about 3 to 4 minutes, the espresso is extracting. You can see it's dark brown, very chocolatey and thick. I really enjoy that time. My stress is gone. Everything feels worry free. And that's the power of nature. I'm done now. There are some residual coffee drops from the machine. To make it portable, there's no three-way solenoid system to suck up the residual coffee. Maybe in the future, we can have a tiny portable three-way solenoid. Anyway, it's quite dry puck, and I can wash it at home. But with a little water, it can be almost clean. Just wipe it down. And the espresso capsule adapter sits there. With this machine, you can make two different coffees, which I really like. Actually, you can make four different coffees. It's time to go home. Let's wrap up. This is a nice box, by the way. I put everything in the front side, and you can use the top part as a bench. It was a nice coffee break in nature, and I hope you all can have this kind of coffee break, not just at your desk or in the kitchen. Make your time more valuable. Thanks for watching. You don't need to buy the product. It doesn't matter. If you feel like it, you can check the link below. But don't worry, just enjoy nature and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.